Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a very uniquely shaped wireless earbud. And that is actually this one. Yeah. Right, so I bought this from Shopee Singapore mainly because of the shape. You can see here, it's very unusual. Alright, so that's why I actually went for it. And I think, if I'm not wrong, I think I went with the black color. Mind me for the noise because my house is actually pretty near to the main road. So I have a road mic coming in. Hopefully, with the road mic, it's a lavalier mic, with a dedicated lavalier mic. My audio would be much better, all right, without all these unnecessary things. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, with some basic specifications here, as you can see, the naming is called X18. It actually uses Bluetooth 5.0 and it supports the following Bluetooth profile. There's a frequency of 22,400 megahertz to 2,480 megahertz. Wow, that has a pretty short range, but I'll actually test it out later, to see it. Alright, okay, so power supply, sensitivity 92 decibel, effective range, no barrier, 10 meters. Okay, frequency response 20 kilohertz to 20,000 hertz. Sorry, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Alright, sensitivity here. Okay. Transmission power class 2, I'm not too sure what that means. Alright, so battery capacity for the earbud 50 ampere. Okay, charging case 500 amp. Okay, I think that's about it. Standby time, and here it says making phone calls can last for about 3 to 5 hours, playing music 2 to 3 hours. That's interesting. Let's get into it and see how it works, how it functions. It's very shiny surface. I think it's very prone to scratches. Let me try to see if we can get any scratches here. Yep, as you can see here, is it rubbing off? Yep. Alright, so it's very prone to scratches. You can see, and my nails are not very long, it's just this short, Yeah, see? You get scratches already. So the charging case itself has 500 ampere. The earbuds itself probably, just now you see, is 50 ampere. Right, it's an on-off switch, so we power on. Oh, nice. Okay. So when you power on, there's a blue light here. Okay, and then let's see, I take this out. It's not really charging. Okay, maybe it isn't enough. Alright. Okay, and then it's blinking red light. Probably it's trying to connect. Ah, there we go. And then it actually uses a micro USB cable. You can see here, micro USB cable. Alright, so yeah, quite tough actually. See here. Okay, so shiny surface, matte surface, earbuds itself. Okay, let me see. Yeah. It's no magnet. I think I like it that sometimes the earbuds, they use a very basic tool here. You can see here, it's just a very basic plastic hook, and then there's a snap. And that's it, and it's very secure. Very, very secure. See? Yeah, not bad. Alright, so I'm gonna test out. Give me a moment. I'm gonna grab a phone and see how's the connectivity, the initial setup, alright? Alright everyone, so we're back. Again, the earbuds are actually fully charged up. Okay, and I have with me here is actually an Oppo Reno Android phone. Really sorry that I'm not able to use an iPhone, as I don't really have a spare iPhone hanging around here, as I'm actually using my iPhone 12 mini to do the video recording. Okay, so let's take out the earbuds. Alright, so it's actually connected now. Okay, right, so let's go into Spotify. Okay, it's playing through the earbuds now. So one click, pause, play, next track, next track, next track. Okay, so the basic Bluetooth pairing was pretty effortless, and the basic controls like single click, double click, next track, yeah, it works. So I will actually be testing this very uniquely shaped earbud, right, the X18S, for the next 1 week to see how it goes. Alright, so that's all the time we have today. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.